Good evening, everybody. My friends, co-traders, my subscribers, I greet you all. Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year in advance. Today is the 25th day of December 2020, the Christmas day, the day of the Lord, the day we remember the birth of our Lord Jesus Christ, the Savior of the world. Okay, I want to make this analysis because I will be going to my village by tomorrow or next for festive celebrations. I may not be able to make another analysis for the year, so take this as a Christmas gift. Okay, this analysis will be all I can do for now. It will lead us to the coming year. Okay, I'm starting with Dow Jones Industrial Average. Okay, this is the daily chart. For long now, there's no much difference from my previous analysis on daily chart, only that we are still waiting for the break of this channel. When this channel breaks, we might have something like this might happen. I mean, we might have a three wave sell, so it will be a very good sell opportunity for those who trade Dow. Okay, there's nothing more to say on daily. On 4 hours, same thing. We are waiting for the break of this channel, and we will trade either ABC or WXY as the case may be. So for now, I'm looking for sell on Dow and not buy at all. Okay, 1 hour, no difference on 1 hour. You can see a very long squeeze, a very long consolidation. This gonna be more than a month or maybe 3 weeks, so it's been a long time. It is moving sideways, so surely it's going to break someday, and when it breaks, if you catch it, it will be a very good trade. Okay, DXY, dollar index have been moving in a kind of confused manner, but what matters is that we should wait to see what it is trying to do. First, this down move might have completed here. The down move might have completed here. If not, we may get an ABC and come down here. Either one, we wait to have a signal before we trade. For now, I'm waiting to see a clear signal to either buy or sell. For instance, if I see a clear break of this line, I will sell and take profit here. Then if I see a close above this area, I will buy the 3 waves, maybe here or here. Okay, that's for daily chart. On 4 hours, 4 hours have nothing different than we can see clearly the channel. This is forming a channel. We can either have A, B, C, then we sell from here, or it will break it and keep coming down. So we watch what happens. This very top will give us a signal on what we do next on DXY. The 1 hour candle has not much message to give us other than either A, B, C. 4 hours and 1 hour is almost the same, but you can see it in a clearer, in a zoomed way. So we watch what happens here. My forecast is that we will have a buy before we sell. We might have something like this. This kind of move might happen here. Then maybe for 91.4, 91.3, 91.2, we may get a sell signal to complete the move. This move seems incomplete on daily candle. It seems incomplete. So a break of this channel, I mean, if you get a buy, we look for signal, sell signal. If you get, we sell and watch what happens here and here. Then we continue selling until we get the final leg, which we think it will still go down. For now, we are watching here. Okay, EURUSD is behaving the opposite of DXY. You can see the wave 5 either have ended or will still go up. So this daily chart have been the same for a long time, so no need spending time here. Let's go to 4 hours. On the 4 hours, my forecast is that we may have a bit drop. That is, we may have FA, B, C or A, B, C. Then we buy for the final leg. Remember this line. I said this is where I'm looking for buy. That was when the market was here. I said if it breaks here, I'll be looking for here and here. So it touches here and it's coming back, and I tell you it may still come, it may become back slowly, maybe like this, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Then after that we have a channel that we break to get this 1.2372 for the final journey before we get the big sell. Now on daily candle you can see this is a channel. We will likely have A, B, C. Sorry, this B is supposed to be here, but no problem. You might have A, B, C. So before we buy, so the reason that I'm saying is this: you know, the pair have been going up, but the market doesn't go one direction. So don't expect it to continue going up from here unless it breaks this channel with a strong candle. If not, I'm waiting for a drop, then I will buy. Pounds USD. I don't want to show the daily candle because we don't have anything to show on the daily chart. So pounds have been moving in a confused manner for long, but we keep watching and waiting. So when the market was here, I forecasted that we might continue going up from here, or we have a drop towards this trend line. You can remember my last analysis on pounds USD. So this trend line is still intact, and when I showed this, I showed that we will have a price might come to this blue line or this, and you see it happened so fast. I was expecting something like this, but it happened so fast and turned back so fast. So here remains a place I'm waiting for the market to come. So we might continue have a small correction, A, B, C, then we get here. So we're watching how it unfolds. As long as this top still remain, and as long as this red line have been broken, the market will continue going up. Remember, this line have been there for a long time. The market broke it and come back, broke it again. So you can see it's making a high low. This low, this low is higher than this. So we might have something like this again, and it keeps going up. Okay. And 1 hour. There's no difference between 1 hour and daily. And 1 hour, you can see we will end up having A, B, C. You must even come below this line and keeps going up. As long as this low is not taken. I'm not talking about selling now. Rather, I'm looking for buy, and my target is 1.378. Excuse me. Pounds yen. Remember, in my last analysis, I was comparing what is happening between pounds yen and pounds dollar, and I said that there seems to be going pathways. But what happened last week? They seem to come together again. You remember the sell-off of pounds. So pounds remains a confused pair to trade because the Britain are not trying to let us know what they are doing. Are they going out of euro? We don't know. Are they staying? We don't know. So since then, pounds pairs have been misbehaving. But my focus remains a close of these two decisions. A close below here and here confirms a sell towards 131 130. So that's for the daily candle. On 4-hour candle, if we get a close below here and correction, then we sell towards this trend line. This trend line holds the key. The trend line starts from here. It tested it, come up all the way, tested it, almost tested it, and come up again. And so this trend line with some day break, but it will be good if we will catch a trade from here. Then we sell down here. It's a very big money. You see, from 140 to 138. It's about 200 pips. So if you can catch it, it will be a nice trade. But don't just enter. Wait for the break and set up. Okay. On 1 hour. 1 hour is almost set. So you can place a sell stop. We can place a sell stop here, stop loss here, or this is a safe place for stop loss. But if it seems so too risky for you, you wait for the best thing to do is to wait for the break and correction. But if you have a big account, you can reduce your lot size, place a sell stop here, place stop loss here, and leave it, because when this will happen, you will not be there. You may come and open your chart. You can see the price here, and you cannot sell it from here again. It will become a bad trade. So recommended, place a sell stop here. If your account is okay, stop loss here, then take profits. Take profit here. Okay, this is one of Christmas gift for you. This is a perfect trade if it happens. Okay. Euro USD, Euro Yen on daily candle. This very consolidation has been there for almost 1 month. If you check it, it will be about 20 days or more. So someday it will either break down or go up. Even if it breaks down, it will be a correction and it will still go up. My minimum target for this pair, since here is broken, is 128.5. Okay, this is daily candle again. It will be a mistake. On 4 hours, you can see it's a very boring trading moment. For if you check it, it's been a very long time, more than 3 weeks, going between this price. Someday we might have we might break it slightly. Maybe we break it and have A, B, C, then we go up, or we break it and have a correction and go up. So keep watching the break of this channel, of this consolidation. It will be an interesting trade. The 1 hour candle, there's nothing interesting on 1 hour candle, so we're not gonna say anything about it. Okay. Gold is gold have a lot. We have a lot to explain on gold. On this daily candle, this very channel will likely be tested again. I mean, this A, B, C is a zigzag. Another A, B, C. That's the bigger A, B, C. So this is a double zigzag, and from what I can see on this chart, it is possible that we will have another drop. So this wave 4 might still come down here. So I'm still expecting 1720, 1730, 1740, 1750, 1760. So for me, gold has not finished its business in the south. Gold will still come to south, but it might come to this channel again before it comes. So I haven't seen a completed structure on the correction. The only thing that will make gold to jump up without coming down first is maybe some fundamental impact, maybe some economic policy that may come up next year. I don't know, but as long as this correction, as long as this corrective sequence is concerned, I'm expecting another drop to complete it here. So my first option is another drop. Second option, it has ended here and it will continue going up. 4 hours will show us more, will tell us more on what we are expecting. Okay, this wave C. My main expectation is that we are going up WXY. So I'm expecting the price to come up more to this level. I mean, this type of move might happen here and it will end here before the selling starts. Or if it breaks this low, then the selling may continue from there. But my first target is that we will have a close above here. It might not go to this level, but it will close above this very high. Then we will begin to sell. Then let's go to 1 hour for more clarity. Then on 1 hour, the two things we expect that this is wave A. We have B. See, we break the trend line, then and go up before we begin to sell. That's what I'm trying to explain on 4 hours. So I'm expecting after a drop, we will have something like this. This type of movement might happen here. So what I'm saying is that even if we get to 1930, 1920, gold has not finished its business unless it clearly shows us. That is, if it continues going and closes above the first wave X. Remember that in my last analysis that I told you where you will watch. If it closes above there, then you forget about it selling. So I don't want to go back to there again. I told you until gold closes above 1973, I will not talk about buying. Even if I buy, I will be buying based on lower time frame. There's a difference between when you buy, you open an order and it will be there for 2 weeks. Then when you open an order, you will close it the next day or the next 3 hours. So that's the type of buying I'm trying to say. So I'm not to buy a long term unless it closes above here. But if it bounces off from here, I will sell it a long time and the target 1720. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay. Next is silver for long. In my last 2 analyses, I did not touch silver very well. Today I started to give silver a little time to analyze it. So from what I have seen on silver, my daily analysis remains the same. Silver and gold always go the same way. This is with WXY making a wave A, WXY making wave B. So I'm expecting a break of this little channel to complete the wave C. So the message I'm trying to give you that silver will likely come down to 21.5, 0.7, 0.8 and 20, even slightly below 20. So watch this range when silver breaks down from here. Let's see it in a better view on 4 hours. So on 4 hours, we can see this channel. I'm expecting a break of this channel. I'm expecting a drop, then buyers will push it up before it finally breaks this channel. So unless it clearly breaks this channel and closes above this very candle, I will not sell. But I can tell you, I can see a more opportunity for selling than buying. So if you trade the silver, keep watching. If it comes up, if it happens the way I forecasted, that is, if it bounces off here, watch for sell signal here. You might sell all the way from here down here. But before you enter this type of trade, you should know that your account can carry it. That is, anything you are trading from this area, stop loss will be here. If you are selling from here, let's say it comes around here and gives a sell candle. If you are selling from here, your stop loss will be here. So you will know the amount you have on your account before you can trade. Or else you wait for the break of this low. If it breaks here, stop loss will be here. So if you check from here to here, stop loss from here to here is small. To compare stop loss from here to here. So it depends on the size of your account. It depends on your equity. I remember tell you to not overtrade. I say it always. You better make little money and many times, and it grows big than to make big money once and loses the little you have. So on 1 hour, what I can see that we can break this channel slightly, or even it might come down here, but I can see where we have another buy before the selling will continue. That's my own forecast. We have a bounce, a kind of WXY, then we continue to sell. Okay, USDCAD have behaving strangely these days. I expected the correction to end here, but you can see it's no longer correction. I was thinking that this move is being corrected down here, but it broke the start of the sharp move. So two things is involved. A break of here, we confirm a buying, not buying all the way here, buying around here. That is the buying below 136. Then a bounce off here will still bring us down here. So this is an ending diagonal, a sort of ending diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it might have ended to second down here. Keep watching this channel. If it breaks, you will know how it broke, how it is broken, before you make a decision. What I mean, if it breaks and closes below it again, is selling. But if it breaks and the candle closes above it, that is where we consider buy. Okay, USDCAD. Sorry, USDCAD. The daily candle. Sorry, our on 4 hours. Sorry for the mistake. On 4 hours on USDCAD, you can see what I mean when I was showing you on daily. So if this wave 4 might have ended here, so we might have a break of this low and we trade it down to complete the wave 5, or it is possible that here is wave 3, here is wave 4, and here is wave 5. Then here will be broken like this and it goes up. So price will determine which is correct. Either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Price will tell, not me will tell. I can tell you what I see on the chart and what will likely happen. A sell below here, we open room for further sell. A break and close above this channel, we open room for further buying. Okay, that's for 4 hours. On 1 hour, we have something interesting on 1 hour. It gives us a channel, and the channel is broken. We can get A, B, C, then we end up something like this might happen. If it happens, we will sell down here, break here, down here. But if it closes above here, we will think the other way around. That is, we continue to buy. So watch, it will be a good sell. It will be a good trade this time around. AUDUSD. AUDUSD one daily channel. The channel continues going up. Remember I told you, if it closes above here, it will go up further. If it closes above here, it will go up further. So it has closed above here, but the speed of the way it's moving is not that very sweet. It is moving slowly, but it keeps going up gradually. So on daily candle, I see nothing but continue going up. On 4 hours, we might have ABC before I'm expecting a kind of correction. A, B, C, B, C. Maybe it will break here and go up again. So it's all buy trade, unless here is clearly broken. If here breaks and we get a kind of sort and come down, then we think about, we know that the buying is over. But again, on 1 hour, 1 hour is giving us something interesting. And 1 hour, we have a channel that is broken. So this can be with A, this can be with B, this can be with C. So we might bounce up here and go up, or we break here, comes back down here and go up. So what am I trying to say? You might have this type of structure. 1, 2, up a little bit, 1, 2, and it goes up. Okay, so here I will come to the end of this. I'm coming to the end of this very analysis. Trade with care. If you want to learn what we do, join our Telegram channel, support our channel, share our video, and invite your friends. Make it a Christmas gift to them. Those who are struggling to make it trading, invite them. We teach people who want to learn, and we expect a little money. The little money we charge, we stop this year. Next year we will add money to the amount we charge. Okay, we are coming to the end of this very video. God bless you. Bye.